To introduce the subject, I took a little time to research the issue, and I think you'll find these facts somewhat remarkable. Is who is attacking these days? First question is, what's the percentage of all cyber attacks emanating from external sources versus internal sources? 98%. The proportion of those attacks originating in Eastern Europe and Russia, 2/3. The proportion of cyber attacks on large organizations, over 1,000 employees, originating in North America, that's 40%, 2/5 of those. So you can see there's, it's not all that simple as far as who are the bad guys here. And here's the stunning statistic. What's the likelihood? The likelihood that a commercial organization will suffer a cyber attack, it's a statistical certainty.
First things first, I think you need to understand what the nature of your legal risk is and the nature of your other risks. When you have a security incident, the government's going to take a look at the incident, the size of the incident, the nature of the loss, what your publicly filed documents were, and whether your filings adequately disclosed to the investing public what your risks were. And if, for example, your principal competitors in the same industry have disclosed risks that you didn't, and this particular incident is the nature of such a risk, the SEC is going to say that your materials were not sufficiently explicative of what the potential risks would be, and you're going to get fined. And if it gets particularly serious, it could be criminal. That's what I'm being very specific about. And it's very clear what's happening. So here are my recommendations. Number one, I think you need a comprehensive audit of your prior experiences. You need to know what the prior actual incidents were, both the ones that caused harm and the ones that didn't. I respectfully suggest to you that the audit really needs to be done through a lawyer, because you're going to need to protect that information as much as is possible. And if you disclose it, have it disclosed after counsel and you have a discussion, you being inside counsel, as to what retained counsel and inside counsel can agree is necessary to be disclosed, not necessary to be disclosed, and why. Next point, you need to establish a process for dealing with a security incident. Do I need to disclose? Do I need to retain people on the outside? Do I need to have a press release prepared? Do I need to set up a response team? Do I need to have outside counsel? Do I need to start an investigation? Do I need to start interviewing people? What are my contractual obligations to other people with regard to this incident? Do I have regulators that I better call up and give a heads up? Much of the hacking that occurs because people in your organization give out their passwords or give out information or use weak passwords. So there's a major educational component